Hello everyone and welcome to lesson number 2 of C# programming course for beginners. In this lesson we will talk about basic structure of C# program, learn how to output information to the console, how to pause program execution, and how to add comments to our code. Before we continue, I want to clarify something important. When we created the project, Visual Studio generated this code. In modern version of C#, this is completely normal. This syntax is called top-level statements. Behind the scenes, the compiler automatically created the program class and main method for us. There is nothing wrong with this approach. However, for beginners, it's very important to clearly understand how program is structured. This is why in this course we will use the classic structure with the class and main method. Later, when you understand the basics, switching to the modern syntax will be very easy. Now, let me write this file manually. Let's first write using system. Using system tells the program that we want to use basic system tools. Without it, we cannot use the console. The next is class program and curly brackets. All C# code must be inside the class program. It's just the default name of the class. And curly brackets show where a block of code starts and ends. Everything between them belongs together. And we will write the function itself. Okay. The main method is the starting point of the program. The program always starts running from here. And inside it, let's write Console.WriteLine. Hello world, let's see. Console.WriteLine. This line prints the text moved to the new line. And let's write Console.Write. And again, Console.Write. Console.Write prints text but stays on the same line. Before we start the program, let's talk about Console.ReadLine. Console.ReadLine. Console.ReadLine waits for the user to press enter and is often used to keep the console open. And now we can run the program to see the results. As you see, in the first sentence we used Console.WriteLine, but in the second we used Console.Write. Console.WriteLine goes to the second line, but the Console.Write doesn't go and stays on the same line. Now let's talk about Console.ReadKey. Console.ReadKey waits for any key to be pressed. And the final, let's talk about the comments. When we write 2 slashes, everything after it on the same line becomes a comment. Let's write this is a comment. This code will run, but the comment will be ignored. And let's talk about multiple line comment. Sometimes we want to comment out more than one line. Let's comment this few lines. To comment multiple line, we use slash and then we use star. And to the end the comment, we will use star and slash. Here is the multiple line comment. Slash and stars opens the comment block. Star and slash closes the comment block. You can imagine like opening and closing a box. If you open the box but forget to close it, the program will break. A very common beginner mistake is forgetting to close a multi-line comment. Touch this. As you see, the next line and the last line is also became a comment. Always make sure that every slash and star has a matching star and slash. So in this lesson we talked about Console.WriteLine and Console.ReadLine, ReadKey and Write, and also comments, multi-line comments and comments. In the next lesson, we will talk about variables and data types. If this lesson was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the lesson number 3.